Oh, hey guys, what's up? This is Radhasan, and in this video I shall be helping you out to make your photos from the Honor 8C from this to this. All you have to do is follow the video and I shall be helping you out to install the Gcam port on your device and make your photos like 1,000 times better. Start from the beginning. Obviously unlock your phone and go into Google Chrome. Just type Gcam and you will get all the websites available for Gcam. Now go on to this website. I don't know how to pronounce it, but this is the website where all the Gcam ports are available. So click on this and you can try all these if you want to, but I would rather suggest you to use a 5 one which has version 5, because version 5 is a lot stable one. So if we go here, you can see here is the version 5. Here we go. These are all the version 5s and we can download and install them on our device as well. So let me just try to replicate this and install this, and let me show you. So I've downloaded it. Based upon your installation and the version you have picked for your mobile, this logo right here could be black, blue, and even yellow or even red. So don't worry, your logo doesn't have to match mine, but let's try this. So it is installed now. As we can see, it looks like a newer version. Yes, it is the newer one, and it has the night side. So that is a really good thing that it has the night side. I shall be telling you which version I installed and I shall be providing you a link to it, and it has a portrait mode too. So that's good, and let me just show you a sample shots. So the best thing about this port is that you can even do some 60 FPS, which is limited by the Honor company. You can also use 60 frames per second in the video with this port. So that is really good to see on Gcam. And there were a lot of other options as well, like the night side. And in the settings, you can literally set everything and you can change everything you want to. You can also shoot raw images from this and also store images in H.265 codec, which is seriously good. So that was it for the video. Hope you guys liked it, and smash the like button and subscribe to Team Radhasan for more tech videos like this. This is Radhasan and I'm signing out. Peace out.